straighten it out. Go about a third of the way down. Begin your bend and wrap it around, giving it 3 to 4 windings. You want to even it out.
Why does it have to be even?
So
They can fit
so that
in.
when it goes into the
Mini-Ductor.
the end of the Mini-Ductor,
Got it. Duh.
they're even. And then of course you want to use the flatter side for the surface contact and make a bend. Give it a slight bend for better ergonomics when you're working with it. You can make it this as tight as you want, or you can even open it up. Depends on the effect you want to get from the magnetic field.